In this video, I have covered a famous puzzle and the name of puzzle is 4 4s puzzle. So what we have to do in this? See, you have to use 4 times and you have to make 1 to 20 number. You are free to use any mathematical operation. You can use division or you can use square root. See, the point is, sir, can you show me the one example? So let me start with the first one. The first one is we have to make 1 using 4 times, right? So what I suggest you, ki first you pause your video, then do and then play. For one example, let me explain. So if I write 4 upon 4, then plus 4 minus 4. I hope you are agree with me. 4 upon 4 is 1 and 1 plus 0 is 1. So this is the first one for your example for the demonstration purpose. Now the question arises, sir, do we have another way also? Different way also? See, what is the beauty of maths is you can do by other method or other way also. Mathematically it should be correct. This activity we generally do to strengthen BODMAS concept in mathematics. Sir, what is the other way? If you write 44 upon 44, then also it comes 1. So the question is, ki, sir, we have to use 4 times or we can use 3 on time only? No, if you will use 4 3 times, it will be wrong. If you will use 4 2 times, again it will be wrong. The condition is you have to use 4 times. So let's talk about the second one. Second one is quite easy. I hope you come to know 4 by 4 plus 4 by 4 and this is 1 plus 1 again 0. So let's talk about the third one. See, third one generally everyone do in my class. This is 4 plus 4 plus 4 and divided by 4. We all know that 4 plus that is 12. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So this is the fourth one, the maximum students stuck. And I know what is the reason, but one student told me ki sir, this is the one where we have to use square root concept. I hope you are agree with me. If I write square root, this become 2. So what is the method? Method is if I write 4 plus 4, this is 8 and then I divide by 4, this is 2, and if I take a square root of 4, so this portion will become 8 divided by 4, this will become 2 and 8 divided by 4 is 2 and 2 plus 2 is 4. See, by using square root you can do maximum, but I will suggest you try to avoid this symbol. You can use this symbol when there is no other way is possible, right? So let's talk about the fifth one also. This is quite easy. So what is the answer? If I write 4 into 4, that is 16 plus 4, that is 20 divided by 4 is 5. So our numerator part will be 16 plus 4 divided by 4, that is 20 divided by 4, it is 5. So again, before we proceed further, I will suggest you one thing, try your own and then play the video. That will be the beauty of the puzzle. If you straightway see my answer, that will be mere copying and there is no brain activity involved. So let's talk about the sixth one. Again, the sixth one says, if I write 4 plus 4 plus 4, 8 or divided by 4. So let me explain. So I hope you are agree. This is 4. This is 8 by 4 and 8 by 4. If you are agree with me, that is again 2. So 4 plus 2 result in 6. Well, let's talk about the seventh one. See, again the seventh one is easy. The reason behind is ki 4 plus 4 is 8 minus 4 by 4. So this will give 1 and these two will give 8. So 8 minus 1, the answer is 7. And the easiest among all is 8 1. So what is the 8 1? 4 plus 4 minus 4 plus 4. See, these two will be strike off, will become 0. So what if 4 plus 4 will be 8? Again, I hope you are agree with my this one. So let's talk about ninth one. See, if you pay attention, if you have some observation skill, 7 and 9 have some resemblance. So what is the common part? 4 plus 4 is okay. So in place of this negative part, if I write plus part, I hope you are agree with me. So 8 plus 1 will be 9. Again, let's talk about the 10th one. See, 10th one is the one which I'm going to do in a different manner. What is the method? See, if I write 44 divided by minus 4, that is 40 divided by 4. Sir, how will you simplify this? This is 44 minus 40 is 40 by 4, that is 10. Now again, let me make one point clear. This is not the only way. There are many, but it should be mathematically correct. And BODMAS rule should be satisfied that bracket, we should open bracket first, then of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Okay, let's talk about 11th one. I think in my class, maximum students stuck in this. They took, said, sir, we want more time. So let's talk about the answer. So answer is, if I write 44 divided by square root of 4. This will result, and if I divide this, the complete one, by square root of 4. Sir, how the answer? 44, and we all know that square root of 4 is 2. So this is again, and square root of 4 is 2. So 44 divided by 2 is 22. 22 divided by 2 is 11. So this is the unique one. That's why the maximum student take more time. Let's talk about the easiest one. 12th one is the easiest one. I think none of the student asked me, sir, give us more time. The answer is 4 plus 4, that is 8, plus square root of 4 plus square root of 4. So again, you are agree with me, this is 8 and 2 plus 2. So I'm counting these two. Well, let's talk about the 13th one. Again, in this case, if you pay attention, the different way I will choose. So what is a different way? If I write 44 divided by 4, well, that is 11. 11 may, if I add 4 square root, so it will be 13. 11 plus 2, and the answer is 13. Okay, अब 14th करते हैं. Let's talk about 14th one. I hope you are agree with me. 4 into 4 is 16. 16 में if I add again 2, that will be 18, and 18 में I will minus 4. Sir, how it is possible? Let me explain. This is 16, this is 2, and this is minus 4. So 18 minus 4 is 14. I hope it's, you understand. Let's talk about the 15th one. Again, the 15th one is easy. The 4 into 4, 16 minus 4 by 4. 4 by 4 will result into 1. So 16 minus 1, again the answer is 15. I hope I try to make these 5 clear. Let's talk about the last part, because I will do till 20th only. Let's talk about 16th one, and the 16th one in again easy. What we have to do? 4 into 4, 16, plus ka 4 minus ka 4. 4 into 4, agree, 16, and these two will be cancelled out, so answer is 16 only. If I talk about 17th one, again this is 4 into 4. If I talk about 4 by 4, so 4 into 4 is 16, and 16 plus 1, that is 17. So let's talk about the 18th one is, so what is the answer of 18th one? Let me change the ink. 18th is 4 into 4, that is 16, plus 4, that is 16 plus 4, 20, minus square root of 4. So let me explain one more time. This will result into 16, this 16 plus 4, 20, and this will result into 2. So 20 minus 2 I will do, the answer is 18. This is most difficult one. Sir, why you are saying difficult one? As a math teacher, you are saying difficult one. The reason behind is, there is one different operation I will use here, the factorial one. Sir, what is factorial? Let me explain. If I write 3 factorial, 3 into 2 into 1, I will multiply these 3 numbers, that is 6. If I write 4 factorial, this is I think factorial term first time comes in 11th standard. If I write 4th factorial, it means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that result into 24. So this 19 is possible only when maybe some other way also possible, but I found only one way, that is factorial form. So what I will write here, 4 factorial minus 4, and then I will write 4 by 4. Sir, how it is possible? Can you explain one more time? So let me explain it. 4 factorial is result into 24. See, before 11th standard, none of you will understood the reason behind is कि factorial first time comes in 11th class. This is the symbol, right? The reverse of I. If I will minus 4, that is 20. This is 4 by 4 is 1. So 24 minus 5, this is 19. See, I will be very happy if some student send me the solution of this one without using factorial. Because I am not able to get it. Maybe someone else from my student side will get the answer of this one. So let's talk about the 20th one. See, this is easy. So what is the easy part? If I will write here 4 into 4, that is 16 plus square root of 4 plus square root of 4. 16 plus my 2 plus 2, that result into 20. See, the purpose of these 1 to 20 number puzzle is to strengthen your concept of mathematics, especially BODMAS rule. I hope you understood, and definitely you will able to do, you can do more also. I will suggest you do 21 to 40 and even answer is possible. Hope so you have enjoyed the session or video. Thank you very much.